Hi everyone, welcome to today's health video on our channel. Have you been feeling sluggish, battling inflammation, or just not feeling your best? If so, toxins in your body could be the culprit. Imagine clearing away brain fog, boosting your energy, and revitalizing your thyroid health, all with one simple detox drink. Sounds incredible, doesn't it? Well, today I'm excited to share the recipe for this powerful detox drink that not only flushes out toxins, but also rejuvenates your body, leaving you feeling vibrant and energized. Before we go forward into this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips on health and wellness. Make sure to watch this video till the end to get the full list of ingredients and instructions on how to prepare this amazing detox drink. And of course, I'd love to hear your thoughts, so drop your comments below. From my years of experience treating thyroid patients, one thing stands out. Toxins play a critical role in thyroid dysfunction. Unfortunately, in today's world, we are constantly exposed to heavy metals, pesticides, molds, and other harmful chemicals. These toxins overburden the thyroid gland, cause systemic inflammation, and even damage your mitochondria, the powerhouse of your cells, leaving you feeling drained and unwell. That's why it's crucial to detoxify your body, especially if you're dealing with thyroid conditions. Scientific studies confirm that toxins like heavy metals, mold toxins, pesticides, and organocides can significantly disrupt thyroid function. They cause inflammation, destroy mitochondrial health, and leave your body struggling to keep up. If this resonates with you, don't worry. I have the solution. A simple detox drink that can work wonders. Today, I'll walk you through the list of ingredients, explain how they detoxify your body, and, at the end, I'll share a step-by-step recipe for preparing this incredible drink. So, let's get started. The first ingredient here is green tea. The first star ingredient of this detox drink is green tea, a true superfood. Green tea is celebrated for its numerous health benefits, including its ability to aid hydration, provide antioxidants, and support kidney health. But did you know that green tea can also play a significant role in detoxification? Green tea is rich in EGCG, epigallocatechin galat, a powerful antioxidant that protects the kidneys and supports their detoxification functions. Staying hydrated is key for flushing toxins, and green tea offers hydration while aiding in kidney health. The liver is your body's primary detox organ, and green tea helps by reducing liver inflammation and mitigating fatty liver conditions. Studies have shown that the anti-inflammatory properties of green tea can reduce harmful chemical mediators responsible for liver damage, making it an excellent base for our detox drink. The next ingredient on our list is fennel seeds. The second ingredient is fennel seeds, a lesser-known but powerful addition, especially for thyroid patients. While many people associate selenium with Brazil nuts, they often overlook the fact that fennel seeds are also a fantastic source of selenium. Selenium is crucial for thyroid function, as it helps produce thyroid hormones and protects the gland from oxidative damage. Fennel seeds are known for aiding digestion, which is vital for proper detoxification. Fennel seeds also support liver health by removing bile sludge and helping the liver function more efficiently. Despite its incredible benefits, fennel seeds don't always get the spotlight they deserve. Including them in this drink ensures that your body gets the essential nutrients needed for optimal detoxification. Stay tuned for the next part, where I'll reveal the remaining powerful ingredients in this transformative drink. The next incredible ingredient in this detox drink is apple cider vinegar. Known for its powerful health benefits, apple cider vinegar is a game changer when it comes to improving digestion and kickstarting your metabolism. By supporting liver detoxification processes, it ensures that toxins are efficiently processed and eliminated from your body. This is why apple cider vinegar is a vital part of this detox drink. The next ingredient, Number 4 is turmeric. Moving on, we have turmeric, an ancient spice revered for its medicinal properties. The active compound in turmeric, called curcumin, is a potent anti-inflammatory agent. Research shows that curcumin stimulates bile production in the liver and helps clear congestion, which is essential for detoxification. A remarkable study even demonstrated that individuals with fatty liver disease experienced significant improvement in liver health and function after regular turmeric consumption. This makes turmeric a must-have ingredient in our detox drink. The next ingredient, number 5, is cinnamon. Next on the list is cinnamon, a powerhouse spice packed with polyphenols. These polyphenols not only reduce inflammation in the liver, but also serve as strong antioxidants, enhancing liver health and overall function. Cinnamon is particularly beneficial for improving insulin resistance and combating leptin resistance, two factors that impair metabolic and liver health. By boosting your metabolism and supporting your liver, cinnamon plays a key role in the detoxification process. Ingredient number 6 is ginger. Lastly, we have ginger, a well-loved ingredient for its incredible digestive benefits. Ginger enhances gut motility, supports the growth of beneficial gut bacteria, and helps maintain a healthy microbiome. Since gut health and liver health are intricately connected, ginger indirectly boosts liver function and detoxification. Additionally, ginger provides a gentle energy boost to kickstart your morning, making it a perfect addition to this drink. How to make this detox drink. Now that you know the ingredients and their benefits, let's talk about how to prepare this powerful detox drink. 1. Start with water. Begin by boiling 2 cups of water in an open pan. 2. Add fennel seeds. Once the water is warm, add 1 tablespoon of fennel seeds. 3. Incorporate ginger. Grate half an inch of fresh ginger into the boiling water. 4. Include turmeric. If you have access to fresh turmeric, grate or chop half an inch of turmeric into small pieces and add it to the water. If fresh turmeric isn't available, you can use turmeric powder. 5. Add cinnamon. Add a pinch of ground cinnamon or a small piece of a cinnamon stick to the mix. 6. Simmer the mixture. Allow the water to simmer on low heat for a couple of minutes, letting the ingredients release their nutrients into the water. 7. Add green tea. After removing the pan from heat, steep a bag of green tea or a teaspoon of loose green tea, leaves in the mixture for 3 to 4 minutes. This step ensures the anti-inflammatory compounds in the green tea are fully absorbed into the drink. 8. Strain the solution. Strain the mixture into a cup to remove any solids. 9. Add apple cider vinegar. Finally, mix in 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar to complete your detox drink. How to consume this drink. Drink this detox elixir first thing in the morning on an empty stomach. It's a fantastic way to start your day, flush out toxins, and revitalize your system. If the drink feels too strong, you can dilute it with extra water or add a small amount of honey to improve its taste. By incorporating this detox drink into your daily routine, you're giving your body the support it needs to fight inflammation, eliminate toxins, and enhance thyroid function. This 1-cup solution is your secret weapon for better health, glowing skin, and renewed energy. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends and family. Together, let's spread the knowledge of natural health remedies. See you next time. Take care and stay healthy.